Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 16th question in exercise 4.2. Using properties of determinants, prove that the left determinant is equal to 2 times the right determinant. So first we will start to solve the left determinant, find out its value and see if that value is equal to the value of the second determinant. So the first transformation that we are going to make here is R1 is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So let's write out the new R1. So this will be 2 times of A plus B plus C. Every element in this row will be 2 into A plus B plus C, so that the next 2 rows will remain the same. So here it is B plus C, C plus A plus B, and in the last row it is C plus A plus B, B plus C. Now we can take out the 2 into A plus B plus C because it's the same element across the entire row. So this is 2 into A plus B plus C. Now the first row's value will become 1, 1, 1. The second row is B plus C, C plus A plus B. Here it is C plus A plus B, B plus C. Now the next transformation that we can move is going to be C2 is equal to C2 minus C1, and simultaneously I'm going to say C3 is equal to C3 minus C1. So the first column I'm going to retain, all the others I'm modifying. So 2 into A plus B plus C. The first column is 1 B plus C, C plus A. The second column is 1 minus 1 0, C plus A minus B minus C. So this is going to be A minus B. Now A plus B minus C minus A. So it is going to be B minus C. For the third column, 1 minus 1 is 0. A plus B minus of B minus C. So this is going to be A minus C. Now B plus C minus A. This is going to become B minus A. Now that we have made the simplification, we are going to expand this determinant along the first row. So what will happen is 2 into A plus B plus C. Now this is going to be cross multiplication. So it is A minus B into B minus A minus of A minus C into B minus C. Now we are going to do the multiplication, expand along this value. This is going to be equal to 2 into A plus B plus C. The first part we are doing term-wise multiplication, AB minus B square minus A square plus AB minus of, I'm putting the minus sign as such and performing the multiplication. AB minus BC minus AC plus C square. The next step, I'm removing the minus sign. So 2 into A plus B plus C. Now this is going to be AB minus B square minus A square plus AB. Then this is minus AB plus BC plus AC minus C squared. Now we can eliminate this plus AB and minus AB. So the final answer is going to be 2 into A plus B plus C. This side it is going to be AB plus BC plus AC minus A square minus B square minus C square. I can remove a minus sign from here. So this is minus 2 into A plus B plus C, so that I can write the order reversely as A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. So now you see A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA. So I can condense this and write as 2 into minus 2 into A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC, because I can directly apply the formula. So the value of this particular determinant is this. Let's note down this value here. So 2 minus 2 into A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus of 3ABC. Now we are going to solve the second determinant and see if this value also matches to be the same. For the second determinant, I'm keeping the 2 outside as such, and then I'm going to make the first transformation, which is C1 is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So this will, the first column in this will become A plus B plus C, another A plus B plus C, and the last row in this column is also A plus B plus C. So the other values I'm copying as such. So CA, and AB. In the next step, we can take this A plus B plus C outside. So 2 into A plus B plus C. So the first column will become 1, 1, 1, B, C, C, A and AB. Now we are going to do the next transformation, which is R2 is equal to R2 minus R1 and R3 is equal to R3 minus R1. So this determinant will become 2 into A plus B plus C. Now the first row 1 B C remains. The second row is 1 minus 1. This is C minus B, A minus C. The third row 1 minus 1 is 0. This is A minus B and then a B minus C. Now if you expand along this column, so this cross multiplication is what it is required. So let's do 2 into A plus B plus C. Now for this, so this is C minus B into B minus C minus of A minus C into A minus B. Like in the last time, we are going to do term-wise multiplication and simplify. So this is 2 into A plus B plus C. The first section, it is BC minus B square minus C square plus BC. Now minus of, let's do the multiplication, A square minus AC minus AB and plus BC. So now let's remove the minus sign from the bracket and write this is 2 into A plus B plus C. Now this side it is BC minus B square minus C square plus BC minus A square plus AC plus AB minus BC. So now we can cut off this plus BC and minus BC. So the answer is going to be 2 into A plus B plus C. This side it is BC plus AC plus AB. There is a minus A square minus B square minus C square. Now I'm going to remove the minus sign outside. So this is minus 2 into A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus AC minus CA. Sorry, BC. So now this makes the formula again an A cube plus B cube formula, the same value we have got. So it is A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. Now if you see the value of both the determinants are the same. So we managed to prove, hence proved. In the next video, we will find the solution for the 17th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.